Good morning, everyone. Monday, January 5th. I should be on the road to Pennsylvania right now, but I don't have it in me to make a drive today. And I anticipated going on a road trip this morning, and I packed yesterday. I pulled and packed yesterday, so I don't have a whole bunch this morning. Just a review. Friday kind of sucked, $79. Saturday was pretty good, 171. Did 1,000 on whatnot, so good, great weekend. And yesterday squeaked over 104. I had sold nothing until about 2 or 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and I was at $16. And checked back a couple hours later, and I squeaked over 100, and we're at 20 today. So, 11 orders going out for 125. So let's get pulling. I no airplane cards this morning, it's weird. Some days I'll have 15, some days I'll have none, and today's none. Okay, I got nothing really. I listed. It was weird about not having any sales until late yesterday. I'd been listing. I listed like 150 items Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So I mean, not a great deal, but it was still listing, and nada. And of course, I didn't run any type of sales or anything. I thought about just putting the whole store on half off, just for a week, just to see what happened. My listed inventory value is over $1 million. Not that that means anything. You could have one postcard and list it for $1 million, and you have $1 million inventory. But I'm just curious what would happen if anything. Don't accept offers. Just put it on half off, and just see what happens. So a little fishing for oysters. Is that what you call it? I mean, scooping oysters. I don't even remember listing that one. Not very memorable. But I have it on my agenda. I took a focus med this morning, and I probably should take them every day, but I don't. So I have a whole bunch of little tasks I have to do today, and one of them is listing. See if we actually get it done. So hopefully y'all have good sales this weekend. Let me know in the comments below. Look at that code, 1AB31. That's five characters that. Nah, I don't think I really could have used it for any other keywords. AB1, AB31, AB. I have several of these. Got to make sure I get the right one. Look, I was actually smart enough to write 1, 2, 3, 4. So that'll get a fresh sleeve. So I told ChatGPT, who does all my thumbnails for me. I just said, hey, you come up with something. My mind's kind of blank with ideas. Oh, that's cool. S36. Sold another one of those menu cards. Might be the same buyer that bought the other ones. I'm not sure. She bought 2. That's cool. Again, I was going to throw these away. I don't know if I told you that, or my membership. But I know I talk a little bit more about these in my membership. $5, $4.99 a month. Cancel anytime. Link below. There's some nice real photos in here. I just see it. Yeah, I probably have my prices way too freaking high. Yeah. But you let it, I'd rather have it sit. I'd rather have it sit high for a while, and then I dictate when I'm going to send offers or lower it. Come on. Okay, got that one. And T33. Postal cards coming up. That's kind of cool. There it is. Just another menu card that's, and another one. So I have like 2 more. Priced about the same price. So I know I talked a little bit about people running, asking if people run sales. Has anybody ever done just a half off just to clear some shit out? No, those get, there's going to go in a top loader or side loader. Now I got to do my bookkeeping stuff today, end of the year. Not looking forward to, well, I don't know. I'm kind of looking forward to taxes. I know that's a weird thing to say, but just as a full year as a S Corp. It'll be interesting, because last year I only had, 3 or 4 months as an S Corp. And my taxes were reduced significantly. So it'll be interesting this year as a full year as an S Corp. What that's going to do to taxes. If anything. Typically I'm paying, last couple years before I became an S Corp, I was paying, because I was doing so well and whatnot, I was paying $20 to $30 a year in taxes. That hurt. Because I suck at bookkeeping. So, went to a tax guy, and he's like, why don't you try an S Corp? And yeah, so far it's worked out. Pretty cool postal card. I know I've talked about these in my members videos. So I'll save that. $18. So it's going, send it on offer. Pretty cool. I don't find these often. I did get one auction listed yesterday. My goal was to get a whole bunch of auctions ready for yesterday, and I just didn't do it. But I got one. It's and it's mostly on the postal history side. I think it's right here. It's cancels. So the stamp people and the cancel people will, and the covers. Hopefully they like it. Philippine postcard, but on the back it has a uncommon postal cancel. Kind of muddled. Mount Pocono. Now, is this going to be under M for Mount, or is it going to be under P for Pocono? Or is it going to be under Minneson? So I have the auction starting at $50. They're $49.95, same thing. It was under M. So we'll see what happens with that. Okay, that's an old one. Blue background. E33. Did anybody go to the Postcards paper show in Ohio, Columbus, Ohio? I know Ben, New to You Provisions, went. Saw some of his stuff. He did really well with some of his cards. But anybody else go? Curious? Next week or this weekend is the D-Land Postcard show. And there's one in California and one in Texas. And there's that card. Adirondacks, Blue Mountain Lake. Okay. I just sold a Blue Mountain Lake during my auction on Saturday, and I couldn't remember if it was one of the good lakes in Adirondacks. AH3. No, AH13. I've sold so many of these Clemente in the outfield postcards. Not for big money, but I've sold a lot of them. U17. Everything's kind of like right on top this morning. That's good. So whatever ChatGPT comes up with, unless it's extremely crappy, I'm going to use it. No questions asked. Relatively short video. It would have been I had 25 orders. Yesterday I packed up, which is fine. I think this is the second. Is this the second Bethlehem PA card? I don't remember. I thought I had a Street View earlier. I think this is some of these cards are like I normally wouldn't list this. Just some trees. Or this I would not normally list. Rhododendron. I must have just grabbed a Pennsylvania and just listed everything for what, $8 or so? $6, $5. Come on, where are you? Everything up front except this last one. There it is. Okay, we'll do a, what is this, 32? We'll do a refresh. I think it's just going to be a short video for me this morning. Okay. List. Unless eBay was just messing with the site yesterday. It's rare, uncommon for me to go 15, 16 hours with no sales. So we'll see if anything else popped up. Nothing else did. Let's see what ChatGPT came up with. Okay. Nothing wrong with that, I guess. 95 cents? No, I don't sell anything for 95 cents. Not yet. Okay, everybody. Hope you have a great day. Hope your sales are better than mine. Talk to you later.